Principles and components of planning. Definition: planning is an intellectual process, the conscious determination of courses of action, the basing of decisions on purpose, facts, and considered estimates. Cones and ordinal. According to Henry Foyle, the planning is defined as the plan of action is at one and at the same time the result in which envisaged, the line of action to be followed, the stages to go through, and methods to use. The plan of action is at one and at the same time the result envisaged, the line of action to be followed, the stages to go through, and methods to use. Okay, for principle of planning we are having totally 14 principles. Okay, so for this 14 principles we have a mnemonic. Okay, before going to the mnemonic for principles of planning, let's see about the components of planning. Okay, so for the components of planning, we have missions, objectives, policies, procedures, programs, budget, and strategies. Missions, objectives, policies, procedures, programs, budgets, and strategies. Okay, the mnemonic for plan of action. Mnemonics for principles of planning. SP cube left firk. SP cube left firk. Okay, SP cube left firk. This is the mnemonic for principles of planning. Okay, SP. Okay, so for this S, it is the principle of selection of alternatives. P is for principles of planning premises. S is for principle of securing participation. P is for pervasiveness, principle of pervasiveness. And SP, principle of strategic planning. Then L, left is there, no, LEFT. Okay, L is for principle of limiting factor. E is for principle of efficiency. F is for principle of flexibility. T is for principle of timing and sequence of operation. And P is for follow up, principle of follow up. I is for planning, principles of innovation. R is for principle of reflective thinking. C is for contribution to enterprise objectives, and C is for commitment. Okay, so this is the principle for principles of planning, mnemonics. Okay, SP cube left firk. SP 3 times, left LEFT, and firk FIRCC. Okay, so totally we are having 14 principles. Thank you.